There's a helicopter.
Chopper inbound.
Helicopter.
You gonna be able to drop it, Jaren?
I don't know, we'll see.
I got a PCML, but I don't think I have any ammo for it. Nope.
I'm going to the top.
Oh, he's down.
Not anymore.
Very nice. Very nice. Fuck Dark, dude.
Yeah, fuck that bitch.
That was the guy that killed all of us earlier, so thank you very much.
My favorite thing in this game is shooting bastards down.
Jared, what's that below you? Did you pass that body?
I don't know.
There's a body below me.
Oh, he must be up here, dude. You hear him
body.
shooting?
That's Derek shooting.
It's me firing.
Right directly below me, Derek, is the body of the guy.
Is he dead?
Yeah, that's the first guy they killed. He still hasn't released yet.
I didn't check my building that I'm on top of right now. I'm in the corner. Like, I went up here, but I didn't check any rooms.
There's only so many rooms. Does it still say that the territory is, you can't capture it?
Yeah, it's still blocked. Yeah, it's still blocked.
This first guy still hasn't released yet. Or,
Another helicopter incoming.
I'm gonna fire at it.
We all miss.
Whoa! Woo! 4th of July, bros!
Man, these guys.
You got 3 of them, Jared.
Hey, we're capturing the territory now.
Oh, what's his name? Just relinquished it
We
then.
should just fucking stay here and keep shooting people
That's what I was thinking.
Rearming
Sounds
against
great. Sounds great. Alright, I'm gonna go get